Hello everyone, this is a Panasonic plasma TV. It's very old TV. You can see it is a 2005 model. The model number is a TH-42pd50u. So this is the TV.
The most human trait is to want to know why.
The problem in this TV is the sound. The sound is not clear.
Anyway, before couldn't you
Yeah, the sound is like the bass is destroyed. So let's take the TV apart and we'll look at it and see what's going on with this one. So this is the speaker. You can see it's all cracked. Yeah, that's why it's making a lot of noise. So I'm gonna look for a replacement speakers and we'll go from there. So I got this replacement speaker. This is the replacement one. Yep, it's no scratching, so you don't hear like the coil touching the metal here. Or this one, this is the bad ones. So let me install the new ones, then we'll test the sound.
Hi, I'm Frank's niece. How do you know Uncle Frank?
He's my roommate.
I'd appreciate it if you didn't tell the family down there.
That one's wrapped up so nice, it must be from Frank.
Yeah, so the sound is fixed. And this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next one.